First up is Edward Witten, born in 1951. Ed Witten isn't your stereotypical physicist. He started as a political journalist before getting into mathematics and theoretical physics. His journey proves that brilliance can take unexpected paths. With a calm demeanor and a mind that seems to move between mathematical dimensions, Witten represents a new breed of scientist, collaborative, imaginative, and human. Witten transformed string theory from a promising but fragmented concept into a comprehensive framework. He showed how different kinds of string theory might actually be different perspectives of a single, more fundamental theory, like different camera angles of the same landscape. In 1995, Witten introduced M-theory, suggesting that the 5 existing string theories were merely different expressions of a deeper, unified theory. Imagine 5 musicians playing seemingly different songs, but when you step back, you realize they're performing variations of the same song. Next up is Roger Penrose, born in 1931. Roger Penrose comes from a family of brilliant minds. He didn't just follow scientific traditions, he reimagined them. A mathematician, physicist, and philosopher, Penrose represents scientific thinking as a creative, almost artistic endeavor. He makes complex ideas accessible through geometric insights and infectious curiosity. Working with Stephen Hawking, Penrose proved that singularities, points of infinite density, must exist in certain gravitational scenarios. These black hole singularity theorems bridged Einstein's general relativity with our understanding of cosmic extremes. Penrose developed twistor theory, an innovative approach attempting to reconcile quantum mechanics and general relativity by reimagining space-time not as a fixed background, but as a dynamic, geometric entity. It's like understanding a river not just by its water, but by its entire flowing system. Next up is J. Robert Oppenheimer, lived from 1904 to 1967. Though his life was cut short, J. Robert Oppenheimer's legacy transcends his era. A brilliant theoretical physicist who led the Manhattan Project, he was also a human, wrestling with the moral implications of scientific discovery. He wasn't just a scientist, but a philosopher, grappling with humanity's relationship to technological power. In quantum tunneling, Oppenheimer significantly advanced understanding of how subatomic particles can pass through seemingly impenetrable barriers, a phenomenon that defies classical physics and hints at the strange, probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. In stellar physics, Oppenheimer's work on understanding how massive stars collapse and the physics of neutron stars laid the groundwork for later investigations into cosmic changes and extreme gravitational environments. Last up is Albert Einstein, lived from 1879 to 1955. Einstein wasn't just a physicist, he was a cultural icon who changed how we understand reality. Born to a middle-class family in Germany, he was a curious child who never stopped asking why. His genius wasn't about being different from other humans, but about maintaining a childlike wonder about the universe. In general relativity, Einstein reimagined gravity not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time, a revolutionary concept that changed our understanding of the cosmos. In quantum mechanics debates, though famously skeptical of quantum mechanics' probabilistic nature, remarking God does not play dice, Einstein's critiques and discussions were crucial in developing our modern understanding of quantum theory.